I'm really terrified of this project because this is quite literally the prettiest tablecloth. I think that this would be the perfect fairy cottagecore summer in Italy dress. I'm terrified because I don't want to mess it up because how beautiful is this? I have my sweet little dress form right here. She's going to be helping us out today. The ideas going through my brain are every idea and no ideas all at once. And we're just going to pray that one of them works out. I don't wanna think too much. I can take my time, no. I think what I'm going to do is have it kind of be this V neck or like a halter neck, and I'm gonna cut the fabric off from here. And then I'm not sure what we'll do for the rest of the skirt, but I do have this old bed sheet that I'm gonna use for lining, and that's what's gonna go underneath this. Okay. You know, it looks kind of weird right now, but it is just pinned, so maybe when I actually sew it, it'll look better. But I have myself a little concerned right now. The darts looked really awkward when I tried it on, and I'm sorry I didn't get a clip, but it definitely was making like some weird pointy spikes on my chest, and that like was not the vibe. What I ended up doing though was taking the darts all the way down to this little diamond seam just to try to make it look more intentional, and I will say it looks 100 times better than it did like 5 seconds ago. So I want this to fit my waist right, and we need basically like 2 back panels to connect to the front panel so that we can not have like all of this weirdness going on. So the shape is going to be like my waist. Wow, was that explanation helpful at all? I don't think so. Don't even really have a plan at this moment. What I do know though is we have this corner cut out because that's what the bodice is. So I only have 3 corners like this. Does that make sense? And I want this to be kind of like an asymmetrical dress. Oh man, I'm so bad at explaining things. What's the angle? I'm not playing that game. This is literally gonna be so beautiful when I'm done. So this is, do you get it? Do you get it now? Like 1, 2, 3 points, like 3 corners. Okay, I think you get it at this point. If I quit buying, you can't sell me anything. No thanks, I'll pass. I don't want. What I did just now that I completely neglected to film, you're welcome, is I did a basting stitch around right there. So I'm just going to cinch this or gather it until it's the size of my waist, and then we're going to attach it to the top, and then I'm going to have to install a zipper to this thing because that's the only way I'll be able to get in and out. I just got home and showered from teaching. I'm taking a much needed burrito break, Aperol spritz in hand. At some point tonight, we're gonna get to the skirt. Something I did do off camera that I need to tell you about. I sewed the entire top together. My intention is to put a zipper on the side just because I think that that will be the most appropriate spot for it to be on the dress. But sewing the skirt onto the top is going to be really hard with it just like wide open. So I did sew the whole thing together, and then I'm going to have to seam rip the side that I want the zipper on and then cut into the skirt. I'm going to pin the skirt
to the shirt. We're going to sew her together, then we're going to undo the side seam, cut a slit down the skirt, install the zipper, and also put straps on it.
I know that sounds like a lot because it is a lot, Katie. The goal was to get it done tonight, but we will just see how much we can do. I'm trying it on without the zipper to try it because I don't want to do the zipper. I think I'm gonna get stuck in it if I try to do it.
You're already stuck.
I'm already stuck. Laziness. Oh, okay. Oh, I got it on.
Okay.
Do you think I can do this?
Wait, you're sewing it with you in it?
I shouldn't do that. The question now is like, can I get out of it? Because if I can, then like, why would I waste time putting a zipper in it? But if I can't, then I'm stuck in this. Go like that. Go like this.
You're gonna need a zipper.
No,
First
I
you have to
won't.
get out.
I don't need a zipper. I don't want to do that.
How are you gonna... This is not practical.
But like, it does, you know, how often am I gonna wear it? And I could do a zipper later. This is just for the video. Wait, can you, like... I go down, you go up.
Okay, we could have... We got it.
I don't need a zipper! My God. Yes! Okay, we're officially done with the project. Even though this dress had such like a funny journey of me not knowing anything to do about it, the tablecloth dress came out so beyond amazing. The fit isn't perfect. The top definitely has a little bit of looseness to it, and I did not line the skirt yet. I just have a white skirt on underneath the dress, but I feel like that is totally fine. I think at some point in the future I will add a zipper. At some point in the future I will make the top fit a little bit better, but at least for today I am so in love with how this came out. I feel like a little fairy garden princess. If you guys want to see me transform more tablecloths into dresses, I definitely have a few more tablecloths on my lineup to be transformed. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see those, and until next time, bye friends!